Hi kiddies, this video will show you that cute easy drawing of tiger and also some funny facts about tigers. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Tigers have unique stripes. Just like human fingerprints, no two tigers have the same pattern, so it's like they are always wearing their own special pajamas. Oh. Number 2. Unlike most big cats, tigers love water and also great swimmers. They can swim for hours and even enjoy a cool day to beat the heat. That looks like a big kitty pool party. Number 3. Tigers are expert stalkers. They can tiptoe so quickly through the forest that the prey does not hear them coming. It's like they have an invisible slippers. Number 4. Tigers can purr, but only when they are breathing out. So they sound like a giant lawnmower that's run out of gas. Number 5. Tigers can see 6 times better in the dark than humans. They don't need a night vision goggles. They are like nature's ninjas. Number 6. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles away. It's like nature's loudspeaker announcing that I am here, I am here. Number 7. Tigers leave scratches marks on trees and scent marks around their territory. It's like their version of Facebook, where the other tigers know they have been around. Number 8. Tigers can eat up to 88 pounds of meat in one meal. That's like eating 400 hamburgers in one sitting. Number 9. Tigers' moms are super protective of their cubs and often carry them around gently in their mouths like a kitty backpack. Number 10. Tigers can leap up to 33 feet in a single bound. It's like having their own built-in trampoline. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this video. Yeah, if you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.